Hello guys, welcome to my channel and today we will try to understand filter function in different context. Majorly we are going to focus with multiple conditions today because normal filter functions will work with a single condition that many of people already know about it. If you don't know about it, just comment on the section so I'll give an example for single conditions also. But let me give a small example first what exactly filter function. Here you can see here I have a salesperson names and region and sales amounts. So I would like to see only north region sales. What we can do is directly we can do filter, and array it is asking array nothing but the output what you are expecting. I'm expecting name and region and sales, all three columns. And include nothing but what is the condition you are expecting. My condition should be this region is equal to, I'm expecting north, right? So let me type north, north. Just close the parenthesis, sorry, close the double quotes and close the parenthesis. Now you can see you are getting all north region sales, all the details. We have just filtered it, but this is a normal scenario of filter function. But come here you can see north region and Swagata name. So if you look at the name of Swagata, she's already sales in north, as well as go down you can see east, west, south. So now if you want sales of Swagata, so as usual what we have written here, just replica that one, filter, and I request to see, yes, C, comma, include the name is equal to Swagata, Swagata. Yes. So let me close the parenthesis now. As of now, now you can see Swagata, north, east, west, south, all sales are came. But actually I required Swagata north sales only. So for that reason, if we have a multiple conditions in a two columns, because see, this is name column, this is region column. So I'm expecting Swagata north. That moment you can apply one bracket here, one bracket, and specify star symbol. It stands for multiple conditions. So now open the parenthesis. What is the second condition? Region is equal to north. Close one more parenthesis. See, this is a Swagata north cells, but here you can see I would like to see northwest region sales. So, what is the difference between this one and this one? Here you can see I have a two conditions, which is name is equal to Swagata and region is equal to north. This is two conditions, and here also I have a two conditions, but these two conditions are in single column. Here you can see region, north and west. So that moment filter. So let me, this is the output I'm expecting. That's the reason I'm selecting all, and include. We have a two conditions. So the first condition is select B region is equal to first one north, NOR TH north, and close the parenthesis as of now. Now you can see only north sales are coming. But then what is the difference between this one and this one? No, I required even west also. That moment give parenthesis and include plus symbol, and now again select region and is equal to this time west, west. Look at that. Now you are getting north as well as west sales. And what formula we have used? So formula to text. So first formula we have used this one, and second formula we have used this one, third formula we have used this one. So if you look at three formulas we have written today, so the first formula is normal filter function, the second formula is multiple conditions with multiple columns where you can specify the star symbol, And the third function is multiple conditions in single column, which is region column in this example. So use plus symbol. So I hope you understood how to use the multiple conditions in filter function. So we have a several examples for filter function. In the coming videos, I'm going to explain about that one. Please comment below. We want to learn something more new. Thank you so much. Have a great learning.